To make your own disinfectant wipes, first find a cylindrical plastic food storage tub that you can store your wipes in. Take the lid off and carefully cut an X-shaped slit into it. Then, cut a paper towel roll widthwise into sections that will fit inside of the plastic tub. Place one of the sections of paper towel inside the tub and pour 1 cup, 240 milliliters, of disinfecting solution over it. Use an EPA-approved disinfecting solution, like 60 to 90% rubbing alcohol, Lysol multi-surface cleaner, or Clorox disinfecting bathroom cleaner, to ensure your wipes effectively kill germs and bacteria. Let the paper towel soak in the solution for 12 hours. Then, pull out the softened cardboard tube in the center of the roll. Finally, insert the inner end of the paper towel roll into the slit you cut in the lid.